In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your bank account to your TikTok account. To get started, the first thing that you need to do is to open TikTok on your device. Now make sure that you're signed in to your TikTok account. At the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find the profile button. Click on this. Now in here, you'll find the Your Orders button. Click on this. Now under the Your Orders, you'll find a few buttons. Swipe right and you'll find the payment button. Click on this button and you'll get redirected to the manage payment methods. Click on add debit card or credit card button. Now in this section, you'll need to provide the card number, expiration date, security code, and card holder name of your card. In short, in this area, you'll need to provide your bank details before clicking on the submit button. And that's how you can link your bank account to your TikTok account. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.